What's going on, everybody? We have a lot to talk about. The crypto market is going crazy. Let me share this with everybody. Unfortunately, I'm wondering why I feel like YouTube been shadow banning me lately. So even when I try to do an up and coming live for this, usually I get a notification. I didn't receive one. Let me know in the comments if y'all received a notification. Make sure you press that like button, press the subscribe button, and this is brought to you by Moomoo. So make sure you go ahead and get you a free stock just by depositing some money in the account, open an account. You have a bunch of ways to get you some free money. Let me delete some of the old stuff before we get to it today. Come on in. Thanks for the like. Thanks for the like. So let's just get right into it. See what is going on. Okay. All right. So right now, the overall market is up over 8%. This came out of nowhere. You got Bitcoin finally reached over $40,000 again. It's up over 9% in the last day, 9% in the last 7 days. Actually, let's check out and see what's going on. So everything was doing cool. It was trading sideways for a second today. And all of a sudden, it started right after midnight. And it was a small rally. I know you guys got a little bit of notifications when you were asleep. And this morning, it completely went down at 9. And it's been going up ever since. It completely rocket ship past 39,000 and just went straight to 40,000. And this is beautiful. Let's look at the trading view of what's going on. What's up? What's up? What's up? Let's see. I guess it got so much activity going on, it's not going to show me. I'm trying to see the trading view. All right, we'll probably come back to it. I guess it got so much action going on. That's not good. Let's try. Let's try a different site. There we go. No, we'll do crypto.com. Check them out. All right, see, crypto.com always got your back. We're going to move this back to 4 hours. And look at all of this trading activity, guys. This is huge. We haven't seen this much activity or selling since late January. I'm loving it. I am loving it. What's up to everybody that just got in here? Make sure you press that like button and subscribe button. Let me know if you guys received a notification, because for some reason YouTube been shadow banning my content. It didn't even show anybody because I'm notified to my own channel, so I didn't get any type of notifications today, and that is not cool at all. Let's go back. Thank you. Now we have Ethereum. Ethereum did it hit over 3 grand yet? You see the 24-hour change, it is up over 12%. Jeez, that's huge. That is huge. So it did the exact same thing as Bitcoin. Went up right around midnight last night. Did the exact same thing and went down, and at 9 a.m. it's been shooting up. Even in the last hour, still going up. So it's up in the green. So yeah. What else? What else we got going on? You got BNB is up. Solana. I said buy some Solana under $100, and it's back over. It's back over 100. It just teased us for a hot second, man. I'm mad I didn't get in on Solana under $100, but look at this. Ooh, you had a good chance right here. You had February 2nd and February 3rd. So you had literally under 2 days to get in under $100 recently, and it shot right back up. Dogecoin is actually not reacting to everything was going on too much. In the last 24 hours, it's only up 5%. That is weird. It is not following a trend. Let's see what Shiba is at. Shiba is at 6%. So it's doing decent. Now, you know we have our hometown favorite. Crypto.com is up 7% right now. And that's good. Over 43 cents. Once we get it at 50 cents, I would be happy. Always remember, Crypto.com is going to do good whenever the market is doing good because people is buying coins on this exchange. So that's always a good thing to see. But I really want to get Crypto.com. Really want to get them back over 50 cents. Look at all of those green candles. And we got two red ones, two red sticks. Not too bad. Thanks for that like, whoever just came in here. Make sure you show some love. We are looking at everything real quick. Avalanche. Avalanche is still a good buy. Man, you can get Avalanche at $77. That's still good. And I was going to do a video about Avalanche. They is doing some real good things that's going to make the price jump. Now look at this. They was just over $140. This is 50% from its all-time high. That is called an opportunity. So you can even buy Avalanche today if you want to. You know, I don't like buying fully on a green day. I will wait till next red day. But Avalanche under $100 is good. We have Matic at $1.66, up 8%. We have Mana. Now this token is up 27%. Anybody hip to however you say this Leo token? I'm not hip to them at all. Now this is interesting. Hedera is only up 1%. While everybody else is rallying, why is they only up 1%? Something must happen internal because I don't like the way they are reacting. You would expect it to be at least up 3% right now. But I guess while the market is going up, people is really not buying Hedera right now. People not attracted to her. People going towards their coins like Spell token. You got Axie. Let's see, what is Spell? It's at SPLL. Spell token is up 10% just about in the last 24 hours. So they are reacting real good. So they crashing down a little bit. In the last week, Spell up 21%. The last month, still down 65%. So Spell needs to really hit right here. And it's on its way for it to bounce all the way back, in my opinion. Let's see what VVS doing. VVS up 5%. So it's reacting good. Up 15% the last week, down 30% in the last month. Okay. Not too bad. Not bad at all. What's up to everybody that just came in here? We got Flex. What's up, Flex? The market is doing beautiful. It's crazy. Even the stock market is not doing too good. Marie, what's going on, Miss Marie? How you doing, my love? That is one of our admins. Say what's up to Marie. Yeah, the market. So let's look at the stock market and how that is reacting. What happened to my stock market icon? I don't like that. Let's see. Open stocks. Y'all see we got my wife in the background. Walking around getting ready for work. So let's look at the stock market. Now, actually, before I do it, I want to switch up my view because I like that little circle where y'all can see me. So you see that right there. Let me change that to webcam. Boom. All right, I changed it right. See, I'm learning, figuring it out. All right, so the stocks end up turning out green today because Amazon is really the one that's pushing it right now. You see stocks curve losses, Amazon surge. So only reason it's green today is because of Amazon. Amazon completely blew past 3,000 after those earnings. Look at this over the last week. This is how crazy the stock market has been. Just look at this chart. You would never see this in history. Is trading close to 3 grand, 3 grand. It hit 3 grand, right? And just look at this. With the news of Facebook and everything else, it crashes down to 2,800. And once the report came, it shot right back up. This really don't even make any sense. I don't know. In the reports, the earnings was good. You know, they wasn't completely the greatest, but everybody really expected Amazon to be in a profit because during the pandemic, all we just did was order stuff from Amazon nonstop. Now we have Tesla. Tesla's well over 900. Now remember, whenever you can buy Tesla under 900, it is a good buy. Tesla recall 817,000 vehicles due to seatbelt alert. They actually recall a lot of their vehicles, but you know, that don't change anything. I heard Ford was getting slammed today. Ford stock tumbled to 3-month low as light volume. Yeah, profit miss spooked Wall Street. So yeah, they missed out on profits. I'm happy I sold my Ford stock at $14 to $15. So I wish I could have waited to 20, but you can't necessarily time the market because I think the news with the new F-150, the EV company, that boosted them up as good as it was going to get for a while. And I don't think Ford is going to recover to over $20 anytime soon. Let me know y'all thoughts about Ford stock. All of my ETFs are up. The airlines are down today. So let's see his hood up. We have Rivian is up. Microsoft, UPS, and FedEx is down. Even Robinhood is up. Not bad. So let's see what the rich people are saying. No more familiar face checks at checkout. We don't need that. The Dow was wavering after strong payrolls. Amazon is soaring. What else happened in the stock market today? It's a good way to end the weekend, you know, on a positive side. So, but I will still be careful because next week can turn right back into a bloodbath. And what's your thoughts about that Amazon price? They hiked their price up a little bit. My opinion, we're going to pay it anyway. $20 extra a year. We don't even care or notice it. Let's see.
What's driving this economic growth, and could the upward trend continue?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for having me. I mean, I think focusing in on the GDP numbers is a great way of answering that question. And it highlights what we try to do around here, which is not focus on any one day, any couple of weeks, but look at the longer term trend lines. And that's exactly what the GDP report today helps us do. As you say, you know, GDP versus this time a year ago grew faster than it has in almost 4 decades since 1984. Over that same year, we've seen over 6 million jobs added to this economy. We've seen the unemployment rate fall at the fastest pace on record. And looking ahead, as you heard from Chair Powell yesterday, and is consistent with how we see things here as well, there's just an underlying momentum and underlying resilience.
Yep, so Jobs is up. Well, I think they mess with those numbers a lot, in my opinion. So I don't always believe them on that. So let's see his coin market cap back working. Trending. Shiba Doge. People make all type of coins, yo, just off of certain names for it to boost up. Uh-oh, Bitcoin might be going down fast. Let me see. Is Bitcoin trading sideways or is going down? Let me see. All right, I think it's still trading sideways. What coins are y'all looking at right now? Solana up 18%. That is big. Did you guys see the video I did about Solana Pay? That looked like an amazing idea what they got going on. Crypto.com just went under 43 cents to 42 cents. And let's see what things are looking like on Coinbase. But yeah, it's a good way to end the week, and the market is up 9%. Jeez. So it's a little bit lower on Coinbase. I want Ethereum to hit 3 grand. So we needed to hit 3 grand because I want to see is it going to rally or not. That's what I'm looking to see. What is Binance Coin doing? Binance Coin up 7%. They're going to go up when the market go up. So you see, them and Crypto.com is very similar in price. I'm on your post. Okay, you are trolling. I'm sure of it. Near Protocol. They up 16%. I still didn't do a video on them yet. I want to do one. Just getting the notification. Bitcoin is up 5% in the past 9 hours. Gainers. Who is our biggest gainers? At 28%. Numer. NMR. I'm not even hip. Is this a new token? No, this has been out for a while. Wonder what's making this token go wild. Popularity 91. I'm not hip to them. Super Farm. Their Protocol, Balancer, Avalanche. So yeah, you got a few things. You got Spell Token is in there. It is definitely in there. You guys still buying Spell Token right now? Yeah. Let's see, CRY. Let's go to crypto news. Now, so I just did a video talking about Immutable X, right? Actually. So I just did a video about Immutable X. Let's see. Marie say, yeah, it sucks, but you know, yeah, it's good, but inflation, yeah, the prices got to go up. At this point, they're making sure prices go up on everything. So I'm not even mad at them at all. Wow, that was fast as far as overall percentage on a coin market cap. Yeah, that's one thing about cryptocurrency. All it takes is a snap of a finger. And what did I say? What did I just tweet, yo? Did I tweet this last night? Let me see. Let me go to my Twitter. I literally just tweeted this last night. Go to Twitter. Bitcoin taking off 11 hours ago. Why crypto always getting lit during the after hours? You would go to, I posted sleep. I didn't want to change it. You would go to sleep mad and wake up at 3 a.m. like we up 10%. Look at us up 9% right now. Cool. Go to sleep and wake up at 9 a.m. down 2%. This is the Wild Wild West. Hashtag not for the weak. Yeah, man. I said this last night. Like, crypto can completely snap their fingers and change everything in seconds. It's weird, man. So that's why you always want to buy the dip. You always want to be involved. You want to be in it, man. It only makes sense because when the price change, you don't know when it's going to go back to hit its all-time low. A lot of these coins, one day, they're going to have a low and you're not going to never see that again. Like how you see Bitcoin is at $40,000 right now. There was a time Bitcoin was at $100. There was a time it was at $1, $10, $1,000, $2,000. And at certain levels, it would never reach again. You would never see Bitcoin go down to $2,000 again. I hope, if so, something different is going on if that end up happening. But that's why you want to invest in certain type of coins that you like and you see longevity with, because snap of a finger, that Thanos snap happened and the coin starts shooting up like crazy, you can be in the money and you will be happy what's going on. All right, on crypto, let's see. All right, I just did a video about this. Check this out. IMX token trembles as GameStop dumped 42 million from Immutable X grant. So let me read this and see if they talk about what's going on. GameStop sold almost 15 million IMX token, currently worth 42 million, shortly after receiving a 100 million grant from Immutable X. This action has coincided with the significant dip in the price of IMX, with the token sliding as much as 30% from a 2-week high of $4.13 to a low of $2.80. GameStop recently received a $100 million grant, so basically, let me break down what happened. So GameStop and Immutable X end up teaming up. Now, GameStop said about a year ago they was going to get into the NFT metaverse, get into that world, right? Now, they teamed up and they did the announcement, I believe, yesterday. The price completely shot up to like $5 a coin, and the price crashed right after it. So it showed, and people that's a lot smarter than me was on Reddit. They broke down that Immutable X already sold all of those coins. So they just really did a pump and dump. And that's some BS to be a $7 trillion company to do that. So let's look at some of it, of what's going on. So first we're going to go to Immutable X Twitter. Actually, I'm on Twitter right here. Immutable. So we on their Twitter. Yep, see somebody just commented on my Immutable X video. All right, so they just did this, right? We are thrilled to announce that Immutable X is taking another leap forward in the gaming and blockchain industry and partnering with GameStop to power their NFT marketplace. So they did a breakdown of all the things they are doing. Together, we will launch a $100 million IMX pool, which we intend to use for grants to creators of NFT content and technology, enabling creators to leverage all the benefits, right? Now, somebody posted this, so people mad. IMX token got dumped immediately with this news release. Evidence, dumping, investors dumping. The correlation is bullets. Here's the release in tokens. So they got proof of the tokens. When did they release them? People a lot smarter than me be on it. Let's see, Reddit. Let's see. Yeah, IMX. Look at this. GameStop received $100 million in IMX as part of their partnership with Immutable X. Immediately after the announcement, as the price pumped, they dumped $30 million on this Huobi and Binance. Textbook insider trading. They used the announcement to pump and dump, and they posted receipts with it, yo. It say this is a publicly traded company worth $7 billion, a NASDAQ listed company doing a pump and dump with the public able to see exactly what they're doing, what they got going on. Incredible. What's y'all thoughts about that? But the price, if we go to the price of it, So look at this. Mind you, everything else is in the green. So think of this, cryptocurrency as a whole in the last 24 hours is up 9%. This shit is down 22%. Like, look, all right, look at this. Look, 7 days ago. This just happened, what, yesterday. The price, so they did the announcement, and the price went up to $4. I believe it was like $5. It's higher than this. Basically $4 right here, right? And right after, it just literally crashed. This is bad. It's a bad look for the company. It's a bad look for GameStop big time. What's up to everybody that just came in here? Make sure you guys press that like button, press the subscribe button. What y'all got going on? What is y'all thoughts about that? It is crazy. Yeah, that tweet was right on point. I literally said, and it's crazy. I even said at 9 a.m. and that's when it spiked up. Bitcoin must just be following my tweets. Because what I realized, I'm 100%, I'll say I'm 99.9% certain. I don't have data to back it up. I could pull up data, but Bitcoin trade, basically, it pump and go crazy or crash and go crazy from the hours of midnight and 4 in the morning. Every time it go crazy is usually when you sleep, because you will have a game plan and a time that you want to buy Bitcoin or a certain type of coin, right? You like, man, if it dropped below $35,000, I'm going to buy in, and you have your alerts. You will literally go to sleep with it at 36,000, get an alert said it went down to 33,000, and by the time you wake up, it's at 37,000, and you done missed out on so much opportunity. I hate how it did that. I'm just happy that it decided to pump at 9 a.m. today. Like, you know, give us some love, man. Give us some love of what's going on. Actually, let me switch it so y'all can see me down here. What's up to everybody that just came in here? Hope all is well. We is talking crypto. We are talking about these crazy prices. What is going on with everybody? So we are on CoinMarketCap. Overall market is up close to 9%. Bitcoin is dropping a little bit. I want to see what's going to happen if it go down past 39,000. I want to see that. And I really want to see Ethereum go over 3,000. Look at this. The last 7 days, Ethereum is up 19%. And this is with all the crazy stock market stuff going on. Then you got Cardano in the green. They are playing, but they are not doing anything too special. Now, you know, you got crypto.com is up 7%. So back to the article that I was reading. Where did I see? Okay. Let's see. What else we got going on? Bitcoin tops 40K. Correlation to global markets on edge. What could send Ethereum crashing to 2,000? Ooh, would you guys like Ethereum to crash to 2,000? I will. I want the market to do good. So I don't want to see it, but if it did, it's just a buying opportunity, so it don't matter to me. Currently, the price of Ethereum is trading close to 3,000. This does not mean that the digital asset has been able to test the conveyed level. Rather, it's showing a bit of support around 2,800 price point. Nevertheless, this remains a volatile market, and that the asset could easily fluctuate down as it go upwards. Only a strong resistance. So I hate when they do articles like this and say absolutely nothing and don't tell you anything, because I can give y'all a live analysis of what we want to see right now. Tanil, is that your alarm on? Oh, sorry. You don't hear that? What, you got your headphones in? Wife, ain't the brighter. Okay, all right. What I'm looking at now, I want to see it on. We want to see this on Coinbase. I can show y'all what we want to see on Coinbase with Ethereum, right? Like I said, the market is up over 9%. And we just gonna go back 1 month. Now, the last time Ethereum was at $3,000, let's look at it. Was, boom, January the 20th. So what, we about 2 weeks in from the last time it's been at $3,000. So this is our price point because we want to see if it's going to crash back down to about 2,500 or is it going to shoot past it? If you look at it like this, when it hit past $3,000 a year ago. So we're going back to the last year because Ethereum is up only 84% in the last year, right? So if we go back to May, when it shot past 3,000, it literally went from 3,000 to 4,000 in a matter of, what is this? May 1st to May 11th. In 10 days, it shot up $1,000. So I'm wondering to see what's going to happen when it hit that. But once it hit that, it went down and we didn't see $3,000 again to August. And when it went past $3,000, what did it do? It shot up almost close to $4,000 in September. And then it went back down. You guys see where I'm going with this? So that's what we're really trying to see with Ethereum is what's going to happen when it hit that $3,000 mark. It's going to be interesting. What's up to everybody that just came in here? Press that like button. Let's get them on up. The market is green. We not mad at nobody. We are happy today. What else they are talking about over here? ARK Invest seek to launch venture fund. Is anybody in here invested in any of Cathie Wood ARK investments? I'm not. I guess since I'm a active person in the market, I don't need to pay anybody else to run my portfolio because, she have some of the same ideas I have. So, I ain't about to pay you to do the same thing I could do myself. Okay. The New York-based investment firm has a 9 exchange traded funds trading in the U.S. with combined assets of roughly $22 billion. But the new fund will be structured, meaning it will, okay, what is they saying? It would invest in public. It would invest in public as well as privately placed restricted securities. The fund has a minimum of $1,000. That's good. It's only a minimum of $1,000. But Bloomberg say so far it don't make no sense. I don't like it. I wouldn't invest in it. She's actually let's see what is some of her investments doing. I think they've been getting slammed. All right, we're going to do this ARK investment. In the last year, this one is down. The last year, this one is down. The last year, this one is down. So all of her funds that I'm seeing is down in the last year. So if you just invested in the Dow in the last year, look, that's the exact opposite. If you invested in that NASDAQ or even just any type of S&Ps, ETFs that I like, yeah, so you get destroyed if you rode with Cathie Woods over the last year. Florida to become home of the first U.S. real estate NFT property auction. What? Have anybody heard about this? Let's see. Taking real estate and mixing it with the world NFT technology is a recipe for the industry transformation. NFTs has now established a new way to represent proof of ownership, and this does not just apply to digital goods. Okay, after working with this, if you like to bid, sign up. Growth in demand. Yeah, they don't get to the meat and potatoes of it. I had to check that out later. Cryptos look after correlation of January. Ethereum price analyst. Curve down, bounces. 60-year-old woman arrested over $1 million crypto scam. What? Wait a minute. Time out. What? Hold on. Time out. What 60-year-old lady is doing a crypto scam, yo? Who grandma is hip to crypto and out here scamming people? I need to know this, and I need to know this now. Which one of y'all grandmas out here scamming people? Grandma out here fooling. No. All right, let's see. While elderly people often become the main targets of cryptocurrency fraudsters, they can also appear on the other side of the fence. A 60-year-old woman was arrested on Thursday in Dublin, Ireland, on suspicion of scamming an investor out of $1 million, whatever currency they have. The suspect remained in detention at the Ireland so-and-so. The woman allegedly acted as an investment intermediary without authorization. She tricked an unsuspected victim into transferring her €1 million under the guise of cryptocurrency investment. Over the course of the investigation, it was determined that the portion of the stolen money was splurged on cryptocurrencies that was bought on the exchange. The rest of the sum was sent to a woman's offshore bank account. After cooperating with the international banks of so-and-so, the police division that investigates economic crimes was able to find the victim and return half of the stolen money. Last April, the Irish police started investigating an uptick in cases related to Bitcoin that reportedly affected some of the country's high net worth individuals. The banking and payments Federal Island Reserve, okay, back in 2019, Irish cryptocurrency exchange vanished with millions. So we got to talk about this, yo. We have to talk about this. Welcome to everybody that just came into the room. But time out. This 60-year-old lady need a standing ovation. I'm mad I'm not downstairs where I can drop an exclusive bomb for this lady. Let's wrap our mind around this. This 60-year-old lady is so hip to cryptocurrency. Number one, she's a genius. So she acted as if a financial advisor, right? That's the first thing. You got to be smart to be able to articulate the right words, to act as if you are a financial advisor. The second thing is she was able to attract millionaires. This is just what we know. The reason we know she is able to attract a millionaire or billionaire because she got somebody to transfer her $1 million in Bitcoin. And okay, then there's more layers to it. To make her even smarter, she invested 50% of that into other cryptocurrencies, which genius because it's a blockchain. And then she did the other 50% in offshore accounts. Grandma, you are a genius. I will put $10 of crow on your books. I ain't mad at Grandma. I'm just saying, I done seen a lot of things. Marie say, wait a damn minute. I need my oh no soundboard, man. Oh wow. We done seen it all and done it all, man. Yeah. Let's see it. Let's make sure the cryptocurrency didn't crash off that news, man. Jeez. All right, let's see what's going on Twitter. On Twitter, what is trending? What is trending? All right, Silverado. Joel, who just gave me a dislike? Whoever just gave me a dislike, your mom is a concubine, and she do freaky things on a weekend. Okay, they gave me a like. They took it back. So I'll take back what I said about your mama. All right. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. Gonna give me a dislike in the middle. He probably pressed the wrong button. I'm just gonna charge that to you pressing the wrong button. The Fed Reserve having an issue with your bank. Did your credit company close your account without warning? Somebody else just gave me a dislike. Oh, y'all crazy. Y'all are crazy. Long as y'all leave a comment too. You can like, you can dislike. I'm okay. Up. Let me switch the other one so y'all can see my seriousness. Look, you can like and you can dislike. I'm game with it both. But leave a comment so we can keep the algorithm going. I'm all about the algorithm. So, long as we please that, we got going on. Let's see, we got Make America Great Again. Supporters want to, I'm not gonna say this word to get banned. Or, oh wow, I ain't gonna talk about that now. They shut I'm already getting shadow banned where they not showing any of my content. What is going on? Hi. What is going on with my cryptocurrency people? Nobody is talking about cryptocurrency. I gotta search in Twitter. Let's see. Bitcoin. I gotta see what people are saying about Bitcoin. I gotta type it in. 40k Bitcoin 2 weeks ago versus 40k Bitcoin today. Now this is hilarious, yo, because literally when it dropped down, we was this sad, and now since it's up, we literally celebrating. Now that is funny. I like that. Oh man. Let's see what the latest. You click the latest, it can go. Good. Necesito. There is 200k Bitcoin trades compared to millions of trades on the stock exchange. Look back most. Okay. SEC. Anybody know the update of what's going on with Ripple? Ripple and that lawsuit and court stuff they got going on. Damn, now we going long. Bitcoin get reads. Let's see. What else? Well, so nobody really not talking about Bitcoin too much. Let's see what crypto.com if they got any new articles today. Trending company stories. Crypto.com appoints Mike Warnier as a senior vice president of engineering. Don't know anything about them, so they are promoting people. I emailed them. They need to holler at a player. They can promote me. Head of marketing. Head of social media and marketing. Content improvement. That's what they could do for a player. All right, so Bitcoin is back rising. We got some heat, y'all. We got some heat. Come on, Ethereum. You can do it. You can get past that 3,000. You can do it. Yeah, it is close. I'm going to have to put some alerts. I'm going to put some alerts for when it reach past or if it reach past. And Bitcoin doing this thing. What else we got going on? We got Solana. Still at 110. Matic. So what coins would I be buying? Let's talk about that. So, let me switch this up. So, with the market going green today, what are some good coins you can look at? Number one on the list is the only coin that is in the red today, and that is Immutable X. With all this controversy going on, Immutable X is a great buy if you believe in what they are doing. So I would completely be buying like hell right now. I'll probably get in. I'll probably actually do it. What's up? I didn't do the live call yet. I would probably try to do it tonight. I was out doing Uber Eats yesterday and the money was good, so I didn't get home to damn near close to midnight yesterday. So for the new people in here, so what I'm planning to do the next time I go live in the studio, I'm going to start accepting callers. So if you have any questions, you can come on with it. Now I'm going to have a number. I'm going to have the number on the screen where you'll be able to call in. The way you do it, you're telling me your name. Hey, I'm Orlando. Where you from? From Denver, from Detroit. And what's your question? We are going to kick it. If you have some game about crypto, the stock market that I don't know about, share it with a player. You know, we can give people some game. You have a debate about something I said about a coin. If you disagree, let's talk about it. I have no problem. I'm always with the shits with a disagreement to kick it and talk. Let's see. I do Spark. It's delivering groceries for Walmart. Spark. I heard of Spark, but I don't think they are available in Michigan. I have to check because I do Shipt out here where it's like you delivering groceries for Myers, you do Target, and a few other places. I'm going to look and see how Shipt popping today. I think yesterday I did $121. Want to do a good amount today. I'll probably go live with y'all and show y'all how I grind and get it. But yeah, man, everything is doing good. So we got a nice rally. Oh yeah, another token to buy. Let's look. Yep. If we just did the top 100, we're going to do some tokens out of the top 100. I will wait to see what Ethereum do. If it hit 3 grand and completely crash, might be a good buying opportunity. Cardano wouldn't buy right now. Polkadot. Avalanche is a good buy. Even with Avalanche being up, I like this. Wonder if Avalanche did... Actually, I'll save that probably for a video so I can have some more content. All right. Shiba. Wouldn't buy Shiba. Always will buy crypto.com. That is 100% always a good buy. I will buy probably some requests. Let me see. Where is requests at? Let's see. Are they a top 100 company? Request. Where you at? Is they a top 100? Nope, didn't make it. So I did a video about them today. Now, me and Request, we have a love-hate relationship. I like what they are doing. They have a great company. They have a great foundation of what they got going on. But my thing I do not like with Request is the competition can take them out of the game easy. What do I mean by that? So for those that don't know what Request is, it's like a PayPal, but more of a payment invoicing system. Where if my job, say I own Lando Success and you work for me, I can pay you guys in cryptocurrency by using Request. And let's say you own a business and I just did a construction contract for you. I can request an invoice in cryptocurrency through Request. You know, so it's a great concept. But if PayPal decide to start their own cryptocurrency, what the rumor has been, they already have the money, they have the market cap, they have the people, they have the users. They can completely take everything they're doing and run them out. Also, you have a lot of competition. You have a million different companies that's really doing this. But, you know, the last week, it's a good price. My thing with the co-founder, he got mad at me because I said, well, he ain't necessarily get mad, but I said I don't see the price ever going back up to $1. Because I think the all-time high of requests is, it don't show it here, but we're going to say $1.19, right? just off the fundamentals, I didn't necessarily see it. I'm still leery right now, but let's say it do go back up to dollars. You can you can forex your money, and they can improve and do more things. So if you go to their Twitter, their numbers is actually looking good, right? Every month, and I really do like the co-founder. He seemed like an amazing person. I'm going to do an interview with him once our schedules both align, because he's in Singapore. And when it's like 10 p.m. out here, it's 10 a.m. out there. So it's hard to get on the same wavelength. I'm actually going to show y'all. Here we go. Now, every month they do their numbers, right? January 22. Now, you have over 175 million payments made on this platform since 2021. That is huge. That is very, very good. That is such a big growth. And they got the monthly payments, but the monthly payments went down. This is actually not good, because this is showing that people don't like the reoccurring payments. And it could be because cryptocurrency is going down. Saying, could be a hit or miss. You got new people registering, so that's been growing. But these numbers, it really need to 10x. You need these numbers times 10. And which was very interesting, the top cryptocurrencies with it is people was requesting is USDC, which automatically supposed to be number one. I want to see that at 50%, not 24%. Now, how the hell is Sandbox at 19%? That is telling me that's called a clue. Requests have an insight of something going on with Sandbox, where Sandbox holders are literally buying this. Where is this coming from? The rise in the popularity of Invoice is being paid in sand on the Request Finance app reflects on the growing demand from the metaverse related projects and the need for the blockchain gaming companies to easily manage their crypto payments to their teams and community. So that is very, very interesting that they have it. Let me know what y'all thoughts about Request. That's the co-founder. Great brother. I can't wait to team up with them. So, in my opinion, I say right now, it's actually probably a good buy. Probably a good buy. I ain't mad at it at all. So definitely let me know. Hey, thanks whoever just pressed that like button. Let's get them likes up. Let's get it past 20. We need one more like. Press that thing. Get it on up. Jesse say, can't wait for the lives. Gonna be calling in. Yeah, you definitely gotta call in, man. It's gonna be fun because no other finance YouTubers is really taking off in that area. Most people is scared to get on the phone and do live stuff, because when you do live stuff, too much can go wrong. Like you'll notice some YouTubers only do recorded videos and don't go live, because when you go live, you can read something and misspell something and not say the right word or whatever it is. So it's harder to go live. And when you're taking calls, you don't know if you're going to get a troll or you're going to get somebody productive. So it's going to be interesting. Me, I'm here for it, because if I get a troll, I'm going to use it for content. I get somebody productive. It's going to be a good conversation. That's what I think overall. Let's check out the market one more good time. Actually, let's check out the stock market, see what they are doing right now. So the Dow, everything is still up. This is beautiful. Look at all of this green. Ford is down because their earnings and stuff is down. Nvidia, like I told you guys the other day, Nvidia is such a great buy. I love them. The job report was full of surprises. Here's what's in the chart. The U.S. added over 450,000 jobs in January. The strong demand for workers at restaurants, retail, mail, every job there is, they are literally hiring. You got leisure and hospitality. Professional and business services. What is professional and business services? What does that entail? So let's see. Despite the spike of there's people trying to go to work because you got to pay those student loans. What Biden said he giving y'all to May before you got to start paying them student loans and stuff back. Transportation and warehousing also posts a strong January. So people trying to get back in the market and make some money at this point. Amazon warehouse workers in Alabama vote for the second time. In Union. Why strong January jobs reports mean the Fed March rate hike. I don't know what's going to happen in March, to be honest. I'm assuming, that's the most important Fed meeting, but I really wouldn't be too scared of it. And my thoughts. Let's see Coinbase. Market's still up 9%. So it's right there even. But it looked like Bitcoin and Ethereum is not pushing over. Not pushing through. It's trading sideways though. And still in the greens, going up a little bit. I want to see how long this can hold. My thing is I need 3 green days. Show me this 3 times in a row. Once you show me this, 3 green days, then I would be more hyped that the market is back bullish. The way the market is going, nobody knows what's going to happen right now, what's going to happen tomorrow. Everybody is looking at Immutable X. People are looking at requests, Mirror Protocol, Polyswarm. Interesting. They looking at this Immutable X because of that drop. But see, look, 74% of people is buying it right now. The trading activity is doing good. I honestly think this might be a good buy because I don't think them dropping too much more. It's just really reacting off of this news. That's really it, if you ask me. They just really reacting off the news. And let's see what else we got going on. See Spell Token. Spell Token is up 10%. Not bad. I really love Spell Token chart for it to be a new coin. A lot of coins don't look this beautiful. This is just such a, right here is all opportunity. Opportunity. If you believe in this coin, just keep on buying it since the price is so low. I say just keep buying it slow. Give it a year or two and see what happens. Actually, I'm going to probably buy some more Spell today. That's what I'll probably do. I'll buy some more Spell. Trading sideways for a little bit. Let's look at VVS. Do we still have any VVS holders in here? Did y'all give up on VVS yet? Or y'all still holding? You gotta give it a year and hold. VVS just completely, it's always been getting destroyed for the longest. When the market is going up, it's still struggling to get this low 5%. But last day it's up. Last week it's up. Last month it's down heavy. So let's look. 35% down in last month. What is crypto.com? Well, first we see Bitcoin in the last month. Only down 12%. So that's not a good sign. Ethereum down 25. Okay. And let's look at crypto.com because that's the people who is riding with them and staying with them. 22%. So yeah, VVS finances, I don't like them personally. And it's not my thing. Now this is beautiful. Crypto.com, everything about them just scream you're going to become a millionaire. It's everything about them. The typical hold time is 45 days. People is buying it and keeping it, man. whenever they start burning some of their circulation, everything gonna change, man. Everything gonna change. Cause the only thing they circulation, they just got too many coins. But you know, we in it for the long haul, so we not mad at crypto.com. It's always gonna be a good buy, if you ask me. So thanks for that like. Whoever in here new, press that like button, press that good old subscribe button, and also, if you guys want some free stocks and don't have it already, sign up with Moomoo using my link in the bio. All you got to do is download the app, open up an account, you get some free stock. You get one free stock up to 3,500. Then you do a deposit, do a $100 deposit, you get another free stock up to 3,500. And they have a fun game going on right now where you can actually play this game and have a chance to win over $200,000. Shout out to Moomoo. I love the people over there. I've been in contact with Simon. Simon, if you are watching this, thank you, brother. Happy Chinese New Year. He said he is about to be partying and gone for Chinese New Year. So let's see what's up to everybody that's new in here. What is popping? All right, Jesse say good time to buy SoFi. Okay, let's check out SoFi. The earnings, let's see. Earnings are on March 1st, and they are going to kill it. It is down 50% on the year and recently got a bank charter and other great catalysts. Okay, let's check them out. What Jesse just said sounds good, but you know, we gotta see what a player looking like. Let's do it on Coinbase. See what Jesse talking about. Now, I never purchased any SoFi before. Now, is this what you talking about? Because I'm not necessarily hip to them. Oh, so it's look like a new coin. You know I don't like my new coins. So this coin is brand new. And they came into the game new. So I don't know. It's too much of a new coin for me. All right, let's see. What is SoFi? Jesse, what is this about? Let's see. Because I'm not hip to them at all. And you know I'm not a big fan of the newbies. Rive Finance is a decentralized finance application that provides digital assets users with social trading system, aggregated swap, and heterogeneous blockchain. Let's see. Okay, launch on Ethereum and Polygon. I like Polygon. Let's see. Base app technology. So, social trading system combines with. I don't know. Would people use this? Socialize your DeFi experience, create and share. I don't know. I don't know about it, Jesse. I ain't a big fan. I am not a big fan of it. Player, let me know what y'all thoughts. Do y'all like that? Do y'all agree with it? I don't know. The Lando coin, baby. That's what we gonna get one day. Get that landed. No, it's gonna be the success coin. You know, hey, you get this coin. Do you want to be successful? Get the success coin. That's how you spend money on. It's gonna be big price items and stuff. True, we just need to send some support. Please. How about CELR? I don't know. I'm not hip to them. Let's see. I got some staked in VV. You got some VVS stake. Keep it there. Don't worry about it and come back a year later if you lost money. Pull it out, move on. But you got to give it some time. And a lot of stuff is going on. Hedera. I like Hedera. I did a video. You got to check out the video I did about them. My problem with Hedera is I don't like that it's more, it don't feel like a real cryptocurrency, a decentralized cryptocurrency. It feel like a governance cryptocurrency, like for the big company. And they just did something weird because look at the market, right? The market is going up like hell right now. 9%. Go to, what do you do it here? And Hedera is only up like 1%. Okay, they up 2% now. So I would like to see 3 to 5% right now. In the last week, up 14%. The last month is down 18%. It's just the thing is, Hedera in the next 10 years will be a top 5 cryptocurrency in the world. Whether we like it or not, whether I like it or not, you like it. They just have too much money. They have too much power. They have too much of the smartest people working with them. So it's a good buy. It's a good buy. I say always keep on buying it, you know. Let's see. Sophie is a stock. Man, you had me. I'm looking at a cryptocurrency. I'm like, I ain't feeling this Sophie, man. I ain't feeling that, yo. Yeah, you gotta tell me it's a stock. I had almost 3K shares at the cost average of $12. It's going to the moon after March, the first earnings. Okay, I'll check them out a little bit later. Baby Seuss Inu. Man, I am not messing with any of those meme coins, meme tokens at all. What's good? What's good, my brother? Hope all is well. So, y'all, I'm about to go out and go make some money. I will probably do a live when I'm out there. Let me know in the comments what y'all want me to talk about. I'm going to try to come back tonight so we can do the live. We can take some calls. We got my boo thing. Come say hey, boo thing. I said, come say hey, boo thing. You got to come over here. Come say hey. Let them see your sexiness. Hey. This the face when you got to go to work, y'all. What's going on? You feeling better? My baby ain't feeling too good today. And she got to go to work. She want me to get rich so I can retire her. I need... So like she just said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And she said y'all even can send money to the Cash App and help with these bills. Hit that hit that super chat. What's random about super chat? They said hi, Miss Success. Miss Success, hey, there she go. They even said what sucks, what most people don't know, when y'all give me a super chat, I completely appreciate it. But YouTube take 35% of the super chat. So if you super chat me $100, YouTube gonna take $35 of it, which sucks. So, you know, one day I'm gonna probably have it where people can cash at me, but I want to come up with a game plan, such as if y'all cash at, we're gonna put 50% of it in Crow, whatever it is, and give some back. So we're gonna come up with that plan sooner or later. But that's all. Let's see. Talk about how to get better tips on deliveries. The customers are cheap. Okay, I can give you some game on that. All right. Now, since I'm about to go out and go do Uber Eats, Grubhub, and possibly Shipt, we're gonna talk about the grocery delivery. The driver ones. It's hard to get exceptional tips when it come down to delivering food with like the regular gig jobs. So what you got to do is work smarter versus working harder. Since I'm in Michigan and it just snowed, it's cold outside, I'm going to be more selective. I'm going to be more picky. And today is a whole Friday. It's a weekend. I'm not accepting any orders under $10. It's a weekend luxury tax. Y'all got to pay that. Y'all got to spend that money. So if I do 10 orders, I'm going to make $100. Simple as that. Now, when it come down to your grocery delivery thing, I forgot what you said, but when I do with Shipt, I got to be in the top 5% when it come down to getting top tips. You definitely, you only get good tips because I'm your husband and I showed you what to do.
No. I'm a top tipper. You're picking up my groceries, I promise you, all you gotta do is read. All I want is fresh produce. And drop the stuff off at the right address. You get 20% off. Or not 20% off. You get 20% from me.
Somebody, that perfume smells good. What perfume? Is that the new perfume I got you? You haven't even opened the new perfume I got you. Y'all, I bought her this $60 perfume. No, I done bought you this $60 perfume. She ain't even opened it. That was like a month ago. I'm just saying, I got somebody else I can get that to. Well, I'm gonna give it to her. Nigga, I got a side chick. She could take that. Sure, y'all better tell my wife she better do something strange, cause what I'm saying. All right, I'm talking about the money. All right, so yeah, so when it comes down to tipping, what you got to do is not mess up their order. Completely do not mess up their order. Most people don't read, so that's 50% of the battle. Just reading what they say, get it. If they do not have it, you communicate with them. So that's 50% of the tip, just not messing up. The other 20% is the effective communication, such as not bothering them too much. You know, people put in a Shipt order. Like my wife, I'm a Shipt shopper and she a Shipt customer. So when she put in, you shop like 3 times in your life. You ain't did Shipt all in a year. So her thing is when she do an order, she have a kid, she have a very handsome husband, she got other things to do. She don't got time to just be responding to all your text messages. So she assume that you should already know what she want. That's how customers think.
I put in good notes. I put stuff in my notes. Don't grab me bananas that look like they
You just started doing that after I told you to do it.
No.
Yeah.
I put in good notes, and all I ask is you bring it to the right address.
So, yeah, you just communicate, get them what they ask for. And the last 30%, the game changer to get the best tips are memes. Memes and a funny personality. Y'all see my personality. I will meme the hell out of a customer. I'm that borderline person. I would tear that borderline. And if you hit the home run, that's going to give you an extreme different amount of tips. It just is, because these are regular people. You got to treat them like regular. Most of them have a good one. Like, all right, like the guy I was talking to the other day. So I did the video about it. I went and did a Shipt order before this storm. And the storm, Wild West. So I did it in a storm and literally they was out of everything. Like literally everything the brother wanted, they was out of, he couldn't get. So I went into the store with the expectations they're not going to have majority of what he have. And with guys, you can talk to us and keep it 100 and tell him the deal. So instead of me trying to substitute everything, I just told him. So this is a text message. I'm about to read it to y'all. So I said, so this is the deal. The whole store looked like the Wild Wild West and 90% of things are out. So the best I can do is grab as much as I can find and do small subs for you. Like they don't have the buns you want or the eggs you want or the bacon or the plates, but they have similar items. Just put the ball in my hand. And he was like, I trust you. Get what you can. And to get an even more tip, I showed him what was popping. I sent him this. He wanted bananas. This what the hell is going on in that store right now. So he replied, oh my God. I was like, you would think it's a whole zombie apocalypse in here. He was like, that's an understatement. So he was like, man, but whatever. Honestly, it's all good. Get what you can. I'm all good with it. But I do need my allergy meds. And I'm like, hey, they got those. And that's how you get good tips. You got to just be personable. You got to You got to kick it with them. I hope that helped you out. Make sure you definitely like and subscribe. Memes, I'm on that. Yeah, you got to do some good memes. So, all right, here go one stock meme. I give y'all one stock meme before I get out of here. I'm about to send it to my wife. All right. One, okay. Forrest Gump, you out of here? All right, don't come back unless you're rich. So, when I'm on my way, this is a bad one. When I'm on my way, you can send them this one. Send them to Forrest Gump. Head into your house now. That would give them a laugh. And if you're not good with memes, always go pets. Everybody like a damn dog, a cat. Just do pets. And, you know, if they say thank you, you know, since I'm black, I definitely bring my race into it. That's how I do. Let me see. Dog. I got a big tip off of this one. Dog hug. Because they'd be like, oh my God, Orlando, thank you so much. So I'll give them this. With the black dog hugging them. Like, who's not going to laugh at that? Who's not going to laugh? Now there's a 5% chance that that person is just an a-hole and they have a terrible personality. I can't help you out. I'm not going to tip Orlando. I don't care. But, you know, that's what I got for y'all. Like, subscribe, download Moomoo. Talk to y'all later.